Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Window to Our World tile. In the next window on the left, you'll see a preview of Window to Our World content. Set a custom name to the right of the preview, then click Customize this feed. Set an intro style, background, and message. Enable or disable animation, then choose your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, JSON, or XML data. Click the Create Feed button to create your Window to Our World feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.